Hello students, in this video we will discuss about perimeter of arc or length of arc. Both are same thing. What is the perimeter and what is the length of arc? And before the understanding this, first we try to understand what is the perimeter or circumference of any circle and what is the meaning of perimeter or circumference of any arc. Suppose this is a circle with center O and radius R. This is the center O and radius of this circle is R, denoted by R. Suppose if you take any 2 points on this circle, suppose A and B, then length of this arc A to B is known as length of arc. And denoted by AB. On the AB, we write a semicircle. Draw a semicircle, and this is read as arc AB. Length of arc or perimeter of arc, that means both are same thing. And if we join O to B, then this arc subtend an angle by this arc on the center of circle is theta. Now here we should be we will understand that what is the perimeter of this circle. Since this is very simple formula, perimeter of circle or circumference of circle. Perimeter of circle or circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 22/7 and r is the radius of circle. This is the formula for finding the perimeter of arc. Now, if you want to find the perimeter of this arc, that means AB, or length of this arc, is denoted by length of arc AB equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, where theta is the angle subtended by that arc on the center of circle, and pi is the 2 pi r is the circumference of whole circle. Since this arc, length of arc is smaller than its semicircle, therefore this arc is known as minor arc. Minor arc. If you want to find the length of major arc, that means upper part of the circle left this minor arc. Length of major arc is equal to major arc AB. This is also denoted by AB, major arc, equal to theta. Theta means angle subtended by this major arc on the center of circle. That means this angle will be 360 minus theta. That means we can write here 360 minus theta whole upon 360 into 2 pi r. Since we can express this in the another term, if we subtract this AB, length of our AB means minor arc, subtract from the whole circumference of circle, then we can find the length of major arc. That means 2 pi r minus length of this minor arc, means length of minor arc AB. We can express this 2 pi r minus length of minor arc is given here theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. If we take 2 pi r as a common, then this will be 1 minus theta upon 360. This is the length of arc, means formula for finding the length of major arc, and this is the formula for finding the length of minor arc. We will take one example here. Question is find length of arc AB of a circle whose radius is 15 centimeter and angle subtended by that arc on center of circle is 90 degree. Now suppose this is a circle, O is the center of circle, this is the radius R equal to 15 centimeter and this is the OA. Now another radius, this is the B, OB, and this is also 15 centimeter. We want to find the length of this arc and this angle is 90 degree. Now solution of this question will be here radius equal to 15 centimeter is given and theta means central angle in 90 degree given here. Since the length of minor arc AB equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This will be 90 upon 360 because theta equal to 90 given here into 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is the 15 centimeter. This will be cancelled. 9 4 ja 36, 2 2 ja, and again 2 cancel 27. So this will be 11 into 15. This will be 15. 15 1 ja 15 plus 1 16. 165 upon 7 centimeter. This is the answer. Now in the next video, we will find the area of shaded region bounded by 2 or more figures.